Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Union County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, southwestern Johnson County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Fulton County, Kentucky, western Carlisle County, Kentucky, northwestern Richmond County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, Scott County, Missouri, and Madrid County, Missouri, eastern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 8 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ware to near Bell City to near Holcomb, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Charleston, Tualalu, Casey, Shield Scout, Anderson, Morley, Bertrand, Commerce, Joyner, Big Oak Tree State Park, Mounds, Bardwell, Olin, Sykeston, Seawood City, Chaffee, Arlington, Bell City, Hunter Dawson State Historic and Glanville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 1 and 23, Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 1 and 21, Interstate 55 between mile markers 33 and 91. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Missouri, Mississippi, New Madrid, Scott, and Stoddard, the following counties: Illinois, Alexander, Johnson, Pulaski, and Union. 33 and 91. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. The tornado warnings are north in Missouri, northeastern New Madrid, Scott and Stoddard, and the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Johnson, Pulaski, and Union.